Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything, Save Money. Today we've got the Makita XBU05 cordless blower. So we're just going to be showing you the features of this blower, and we'll show you how to remove the battery and just a couple of the settings. So yeah, we'll get right into it. Should be a short video. So the first thing, how to remove the battery. Just press this button in, slide right out, and then to reinstall the battery, you just line up these grooves and click right into place. Now when you get this tool, this nozzle will be off. So you can see there's two little nubs here, and all you're going to do is line them up with these grooves here, like so, and then just twist it clockwise into place, and that locks it in. And then here's your trigger. And then really the only other thing with this blower is there's a speed setting. There's 3 different speed settings. Now I did test this, and it's actually a little bit more powerful than you think. I mean, you're not going to probably be doing much yard work with it, but as far as like a little portable blower for your shop to blow off sawdust and stuff like that, I think this would work great for that. So this is part of the 8-piece set that I got from Makita. So this is this and the flashlight are kind of 2 little gimmicky pieces in my opinion, to kind of jump up that 8-piece count, but it doesn't seem like a bad little tool. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. It's the Makita XBU05 cordless blower. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow and it helps me create more content. So yeah, that's it guys. Have a good day. We'll see you next time.